After you know this, you won't throw away the plastic bottles you used. Today, I will teach you 2 amazing recycling ideas so you can reuse those plastic bottles you thought you threw away. This will save you money, and once you learn it, you will definitely thank me. The first thing we will do is take some scissors, and we will use it to cut the plastic bottle in 2 parts. I would like to know from which country you are watching me so I can send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Julio Cesar Zambrano from Spain. Once we have cut the bottle, we will only take the bottom part of it. Now we are going to flatten a little these threads that remain on the edges so we don't get any damage. We will do this with the help of a lighter. We light it and bring it closer to give it a rounder shape. We will turn the bottle, doing it carefully so as not to deform it. Once this is done, the next thing will be to go to the stove. With the help of a screwdriver or nail, we will make some holes in the bottom part of the bottle. In my case, I will use an electric welder since it is a tool that I have at home and it makes my life a lot easier. If you don't have it, you can use the screwdriver. After we have made enough holes in this part, we turn the bottle, and in the same way we will make 2 small holes on the side of the bottle. Next, we take nylon thread, and after making some knots, we will go through the 2 holes we just made. Tie the thread again to secure it even more. We have turned this bottle into a super practical kitchen artifact. Now I will show you the 2 ways in which this can be used. To hold it, first I will put a hook in the corner of the dishwasher. These hooks are easy to get at hardware stores. And if you can't get it, hang it directly on the base of the key. As is usual after each meal, there are always remains on the plate. And usually, when we wash the dishes, the filter that comes with the sink is easily blocked, and you must use your hands so that the water does not clog, which causes the sink to be blocked over time. With this, we can pour the leftovers directly into this bottle and filter them. In this way, the food on the plate will not fall through the drain filter, preventing it from being blocked. The second way you can use this is as a sponge drain. Sponges can store germs and bacteria if they do not drain properly after rinsing. You can also use this to place your kitchen sponges and make them drain properly. This accelerates drying and prevents bacteria from moisture. Beth.